25% of the US population is pre-diabetic. And it's thought that by 2050, if we don't do something, 1 in 3 Americans will have diabetes. I've been here a long time. I've been here more than 30 years. And I'm actually trained as a biological anthropologist, and I came here to study cardiovascular disease in preclinical models. There are really two kinds of diabetes. There's type 1 diabetes, which is often called juvenile diabetes. The majority of cases are what are called adult onset or type 2 diabetes. And this is a diabetes which emerges over time and is believed to involve environmental factors. So individuals who eat the wrong kind of diet become obese, do not exercise sufficiently. The people who develop diabetes by 2050, maybe 20% of our population will actually have diabetes. These individuals will be at high risk of dying from cardiovascular disease, stroke. They will have impaired nerve function. They will have kidney failure, blindness. These are all things that are largely investigatable. They can be studied and probably prevented. Diabetes will have a health impact on women far greater than that of men. And so while we worry about men dying prematurely of cardiovascular disease, in fact, in every year since 1984, more women than men have died of cardiovascular disease. And probably that relates in part to this obesity epidemic and the fact that women are at increasing risk of the complications of obesity and diabetes. Regardless of the platform that we're using, whether it be a cell, a biopsy, we are sensitive to the sources from which those platforms have been derived and to their own needs. Wake Forest Innovations does a number of things. First, it tests and evaluates both diagnostics for determining who has diabetes and also evaluates new therapeutics for treating diabetes. Wake Forest Innovations actively engages sponsors, entities, companies outside of the medical center because we believe our expertise really extends far beyond what is needed at the medical center and can be applied to problems of human health more broadly. Our website and our proactive marketing program, I think, are two components that make Wake Forest especially attractive to outside companies. Whether I'm working for the National Institutes of Health and doing a project or for a commercial sponsor, we treat these both the same. They believe we have the expertise and our obligation is to provide a high quality product in a timely way. Wake Forest Innovations is really in the service of human health, and that is what we support.